Good morning, YouTube. Hope this message finds you well. Cortese back at it again. I got Lucina right here in the background. And let's take a look at where I'm at. Let me pass this corner first. Boom. Vivo Automotive. If you guys are new to this video, make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below anything you guys want to see on the channel. But the reason I'm here today, it's mod time. So let's take a look. Yoink. Oh, what's this big old box? What can it possibly be? Boom, stainless works headers. But this is the, I guess the small child. They're called stainless power headers. And these are going on this bad boy today. So what I got was 178 catted mid-pipe headers. And it's gonna sound bad, boy. Bad to the bone. I can't wait to put them on. So as far as you guys will see me in around the next 5 to 7 hours. That's how long I'm gonna be here while they install the headers. As you can see, she's going right into the shop. Boom, she's so sexy, dude. Woo. I'm really excited, you guys. You know, just that waiting process is gonna be a B word. So I brought my charger, phone, headset. I'm ready. All right, guys, I'm wearing the mask as precaution for them, of course. That's what they asked for, so I'm wearing the mask. As you can see, guys, she's on the lift, the exhaust is off, and now the headers are being removed. So the next step, is to get them. They're gonna be installed, boy. Just be ready. Oh, look at what we have here. We got the DFW LX Mopar car here, the show car. Oh man, sick ride. All right, we're going up under here, and you can see the header's already installed. And damn, boy, they really do come out the car, man. Come all the way down. Ooh, damn, should have brought my flashlight. Again, I'm back here in the waiting room. Well, I guess the front lobby, but I'm really glad it rained yesterday. It's been raining, or it's been trying to rain for a while now. And it finally did. It hailed and everything. It didn't hit me in my area, but damn. If it rained today, if it continued on to today, I was kind of getting nervous, kind of scared, you know, with the half a tire on, with the nittos. And I was like, damn, it's gonna take me forever to get there if I have to drive in the rain and shit. But luckily, it didn't. There we got the 180 T-Stat. loud, man. Y'all hear that? Y'all hear that? That's super loud. Fucking love it. It changed everything right away. All right, YouTube, it's done. We got the headers installed, catted, 178, mid-pipe, and you heard how she sounded. She sounded bad. Oh my God, I can't believe how good she sounds. So now I'm about to take her home, about to install the tune with the headers tune, the 180T stat, and then also I got the transmission tune. So that'll all be done. Then I'll do some, some logging so we can settle it out, get it straightened out, and there'll be no problems. Thank you guys for watching the headers install. My car is hella loud. Oh my God, I can't wait to see what it could do. Thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. I've been taking a lot of L's, but let's start getting some dubs. Peace.